Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I launched one of the very important program called the Personal Gate Guidance. If you want personal guidance, from me, and particularly in four subjects, one is devices, second one is analog circuit, and third one is communication system, and fourth one is electromagnetics, right? You guys can enroll to my program. uh, one important thing will be over there is the engineering mathematics gonna be completely free, okay, in this program. Okay, so what I will be delivering on YouTube channel, so complete mathematics for gate 2023 will be free on this YouTube channel, right? But this personal guidance program would be having some charges, right? But those charges would be affordable in nature, right? And at the end of the day, you're going to get benefited a lot, right? So in the classroom, we will only discuss the concept related to the subject, okay, and how to attack to the problem will be our concern, right? Always. So we have to learn how to solve particular problem, okay, and what is the mystery behind that concept, right? Why we fail to understand devices, why we fail to understand, or why we fail to solve question based on analog circuit. From the past experiences of mine, I have been realizing that, okay, what are the topics where many aspirant make mistake and where they feel complicated or difficult, where they experience difficulty, right? So time comes like that they are supposed to give up, but if you're going to join the program called PGP, okay, there you will not find any space where you will be thinking about giving up your goal, okay. So in this YouTube channel, personally I guide for gate, okay. I guide for a different interview. Okay, I conduct mock interviews, as you might have seen. I conduct for Texas Instrument, right? Before a candidate is supposed to attend the main interview, I conduct the kind of interview where if you are really good at, okay, before attending the main interview, you shall be able to crack that interview, right? So if you are able to pass my mock interview, then okay, there is a remote chance that you're going to fail, right? Okay, so as I discuss here is that what is the main differentiator, okay, what differentiate from others, okay, regarding the PGP program of gate 2023 launched by me. What is going to differentiate here? See, mainly the way you study devices, okay, the way you solve questions, okay, the way you attack to the problem is quite different, right? In this program, mainly you will be learning the complete picture of devices. So we will be dividing electronic devices into two house, okay, into two part. The first part will be the semiconductor physics, where we will be learning about all the basics, which is required to understand, devices of any kind, be it PN junction, one of the very fundamental building block for bipolar junction transistor, and thereafter we will start MOS capacitor. Before starting the MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, we will be talking about the building basic building block of MOSFET, okay, MOS, metal oxide field effect transistor, okay. So that will be known as the MOS capacitor, okay. You will understand all the things, right? So in electronic devices, there is no prerequisite, okay? You don't need to know anything. If you don't know about what is charges and all those things, still you will be able to understand. But yeah, as I make assumption that you have passed out, you have done 12th, then you came to your engineering, right? You might be familiar with these things, okay, what is charge, what is force, okay, and what is electric field, what is voltage and current, all these things, right? In this course, I will be taking you from the very basics, right? I will start from the semiconductor, why we talk about semiconductor, what is the need of, okay, among all the material candidates why we prefer semiconductor, right? So those questions will be answered in the PGP classes, right? In fact, I'm going to also upload some demo sessions, okay, on in this YouTube channel. One demo session will be uploaded for electronic devices, from where you can judge whether you must join this program or not, and whether you're going to get benefited directly or not, right? So I'm gonna upload one demo session on devices, one demo session on analog circuit, one demo session on communication system, and one demo session on electromagnetics, right? So in this I mean, in my YouTube channel or in my program, you will not find any garbage talk, right? We will be always concept centric. We will always talk about concept, right? We will not use any kind of big analogy, you know, to explain the concept, okay? We have to be realistic, okay? Because after all, we are living in a technology, we are living in a world which is advancing very faster, okay? And you have seen that many technologies are around you, and we fail to understand what are those technologies, okay, what they talk about, right? So prior to that, first of all, we need to crack gate examination, because you might be having kind of a dream, okay, that you must get into IITs or IISc Bangalore, right? And then if you land in IISc or IIT, because many of my students, in fact many of my juniors and friends whom I guided them, right, they got into I will not call them my students, right? They are just like my brother, right? So whom I guided them, they got into IISc, okay, in I'm taking artificial intelligence. Okay, now they are doing well, so they now they can dream about anything to achieve, right? Once they will complete their course, they will be placed at very high packages, okay, in different FANG companies such as Facebook, Meta, or okay, or Apple, Amazon, these kind of a company, Microsoft, Google, right? These are the very big companies in private sector in software, right? So where you can make your career in computer vision, or natural language processing, or deep learning, okay, or data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, right? So and if you're supposed to join this program, right, so you will be also learning some of the basic thing before you get started about VLSI, very large scale of integration. So you can also make your career in the area of VLSI, okay? So these are the benefits you're supposed to get, okay guys? So I will be sharing I will be sharing the Google form where you can register yourself, okay? And once you will register, we will talk about the fee as well, right? So there will be some fee so that we could maintain the consistency, okay, throughout the session for 6 months, because we will be all together for this program for next 6 months and thereafter as well. So we will be charging for some nominal charges will be there for this program, right? So that you could also be very serious to attend the class, and I could also be very serious to teach you, okay, in detail, right? So that I could find from my VGS schedule and teach you and guide you for GATE 2023. And as I have seen that there are many YouTube channels where you will find subjects, basic subject lectures, right? And they are also random in nature. But in this YouTube channel, at least you will find complete set of lectures on engineering mathematics, right? Engineering mathematics. Okay, so in personal guidance, I will be teaching you personally. So those lectures will not be uploaded on YouTube, because YouTube is completely free, right? So we need to maintain some consistency as well as we need to make it very very secret, so that you guys can only get good rank in GATE exam, right? So coming to 4 subjects. So first subject, as I told you, that is going to be the electronic devices to begin with, and thereafter I will start analog circuit, right? So analog circuit, basically I will be talking about how to design any circuit. If circuit is given, how to identify that, okay, what is the name of that circuit, right? And how to find the small signal gain by inspection, intuition, right? If there is no intuition, means you're not understanding circuits, okay, you're just getting lost into some big ideas, right? So better, whenever question is given, think about it, right? What circuit wants you to do, right? Okay, what is the functionality of the circuit, what is the name of the circuit, right? So if you know those things, you can solve any question within 30-40 seconds, as I told you, right? So in fact, I will be also bringing one important PYQ session, okay, on YouTube channel, uh, which is also going to be completely free, right? For few subjects, okay. I will be bringing for 4 basic subject. I will not bring free PYQ session on YouTube channel for these PGP, okay. For students who will be enrolling in PGP GATE 2023, right, personal guidance program GATE 2023, particularly from ECE branch, there are only 100 seats available, okay. After 100, I will, and close the registration, right? I will not take anyone to going forward, okay, because we have 6 months only, and we have to manage 100 students, right, so that they could get good rank below 100, right? Okay, my main ambition is to help you to get into IITs and IISc. My main ambition and passion is to help you so that you could feel what is electronics, why we talk about semiconductor, how you are able to watch me, okay, how you are able to watch my lecture on YouTube channel, right? Okay, uh, how this camera, okay, why camera captures very good quality pictures. You can see, did you ever find all these question answer, right? So something is going on, right? Because of advancement of the technologies, because of this CMOS and metal oxide semiconductors, these kind of transistors are being used now, okay. Now bipolar junction transistor is not used, so you will come to know also that uh, why semiconductor is very, very important, why not other materials such as insulator and conductor, right? So in electronic devices, I will be covering each and every points. And if I talk about analog circuit, so you will be crazy once you will attend my session, that I can assure of, right? Talking about communication system, yes, communication system, like I said in the last session when I was launching this program, as I said that communication system is more demanding, okay. There are only 2 resources which we always fight for. They are the bandwidth and the power, okay. And I also told you that what are the important topic which we will be covering, right? So the important topics are random variable and random process, okay. And okay, so I will be training on I will be helping you to train on random variable and random process, okay. So that you could score complete marks from. And also guys, as I told you that out of 4 subjects, half of the marks of the gate examination is dependent upon, right? It means that for 45 to 50 marks will be asked from these 4 subjects, and many aspirant skip these subject in the examination hall. See, they prepare throughout the year, they prepare by taking drops, they prepare hardly, but still they fail to solve the question. What is the reason behind that? The main reason behind that is the subject which has been taught to you has not been taught in the manner so that you could solve question within less amount of time. See, okay, knowing what is semiconductor, knowing what is metal oxide semiconductor is not enough. If you're not able to solve question within less amount of time, okay, then what is the need of learning that subject, right? So many aspirant I have come across, okay, that they know the concept, but still they are not able to solve the question in the examination hall. They would be able to solve the question from control system if that question seems very easy, right? Still, control system is also very challenging subject. Network theory, if the question is very easy, suppose we have to apply some node and we have to find some current through any branch, or we have to find voltage across any element, right? So yeah, but prior to that we need to cover all the basics. If any new question is framed, gone. So this is what the differentiator factor, okay, which is going to differentiate our class from the other classes. So remember, join us, okay, very quickly. I will share the Google form link in the description right soon, because I'm creating the Google form. Okay, one of the student has contacted already to join, shown interest. I would suggest that everyone should join. At least 100 students I need. Okay, if you will be, you can also come from different, I mean, you can also come with the college group. Okay, so there would be huge, you will be getting some discounts as well on the fee I'm gonna charge for 4 subjects, right? Okay, so guys, remember, you can talk with your friends, you can come to you in the group. And remember guys, if you don't like the subject after attending demo session, don't join the class. Okay, if you like the subject and after attending the demo, if you like the subject, then only join the class, right? So there is nothing like any compulsion or something, right? I just want you to understand those 4 subjects. If you are able to understand, I will be uploading demos. Okay, or if you're really interested in cracking gate examination, okay, for working and non-working professional both, I'm saying. Okay, if somebody is working and they want to switch to VLSI, or they want to get into IITs and IISc for uh, more appealing opportunity in future, okay, you are welcome, okay, in this YouTube channel, right? Okay, so with this, I would like to wind up the session here, guys, and we will meet in our first class. Okay, so guys, do join. You can contact me. My number is given in the you can open the about, okay, on this YouTube channel, okay, about YouTube. Okay, so you will find my number, and you can note down my number as well, 70057911628, and you can ping me on WhatsApp, right? So I will let you know what is the further procedure to get registered for PGP 2023, right? So I was thinking that I'm going to offer this course, 4 subject course, right, completely free. But then I thought that from my last experiences, okay, many students are not that serious. Okay, they will come and they will not come after 1 or 2 days, or they will just take the thing for granted, right? So what I'm planning here is I'm going to charge. Okay, so if there will be some charge, you will be attending the session very honestly, and your goal will come into picture, and it will ignite you, to go ahead. Okay, so if you want to join this class, ping me on WhatsApp, and along with your name, year, or are you fresher or dropper, what's your college name, all these things, and what's your branch. And I request everyone to join if they are from electrical engineering and they want to learn common subjects from this program, right? If they are electronics and communication, so they can easily join. So engineering mathematics, okay, will be free for everyone. Okay, that lecture is gonna be uploaded on YouTube channel, right? So I will be conducting every day 1 hour session on engineering maths, okay, and as well as aptitude, right? So you can learn better. Okay, so my dream is to deliver complete subjects, okay, to you, so that you could benefit it. And at the end of the syllabus, you can give the feedback out of 10, out of 5, how, whatever ways you can rate me and my sessions, right? So it will be also one of the eye opener for your juniors, right? So if you are thinking about joining PGP courses, okay, this is going to be subject wise course, or you can say the pack of 4 subject, right? So you can join very quickly and learn from the experienced guy. Okay, learn from the guy who has been attending GATE since decade. Okay, I have seen question paper, I have seen what kind of modification or variation comes into picture when you go from 21 to 22 or 20 to 23. Okay, what are the important topic are supposed to be asked, that I can tell you. Okay, so if you will prepare properly, and if you will not disturb yourself following different YouTube channel, just focus on one YouTube channel, any YouTube channel. But I would suggest if a faculty is teaching you a concept, okay, so that you could solve the question with less amount of time, and there is some realistic reasoning. If there is some realistic reasoning, then only that is very important, right? And if the talk is out of the box, okay, it is not related to your subject, okay, so there is nothing to attend that class, right? So I would suggest you is that if you're interested in PGP GATE 2023, do join. Only 100 seats are there, and our classes will be starting very soon, right? So as you can see the date as well. Today is 2nd, so after 3 days, I think after after 5th August, on 6th, since 6th August onwards, I will be starting. Okay, so the subject is what? Again, let me repeat: electronic devices, analog circuit, communication system, and electromagnetic. These are the 4 subjects which I have been dealing, and I got really good feedback wherever I went for analog circuit and devices, right? So as a beginner, when I was a beginner, right, I was also thinking like that, I don't know how to solve questions. But since I became a faculty or a teacher, you can say, from the past 6 to 7 years, I got that kind of a methodology which can help student to understand anything in any better possible manner, and it will not harm. Okay, it will always cement in your mind, cemented, right? Whatever concept we will discuss. So can we meet later? Yes. So guys, share this YouTube channel, share this session among everyone, among your juniors, okay, among your seniors if they are preparing for GATE 2023, and among everyone, right? So third year, second year, fourth year, okay, if you're targeting for GATE 2024, 2025, okay, I will be bringing sessions for those years as well, right? So don't worry. So I will be bringing one foundation batch, right? Foundation batch on GATE, okay? So where all the basic subject will be taught, right? I hope this is enough, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you so much.